Hello everyone, we have a very strong storm heading southeast. I'm hand holding my GoPro right now. I see green in there, and that's usually an indicator of hail. So that is scary looking. This almost reminds me of April 30th, which was just yesterday. Like 366 days ago, we had a storm that looked just like this. Like, this is literally a repeat of April 30th, 2020. I don't have the video up anymore because somebody said my name, and I don't want my name to be revealed. I want that for a subscriber special. But I'm looking for lightning, and this thing looks like it's got plenty of it. Like, are we even on any storm warnings? I mean, look. I'm actually going to put my camera down on this trash can here that I set up. Turn the LCDs back on. Alright, so we're just gonna... These won't shock me, lightning. So we're just gonna put this trash can right here. Whoops, that's my bad. There we go. There's probably not any in the front right now, but there's definitely gonna be some. I'll tell you that now. It's warm out here. It's I don't know, about 75 degrees right now. So it's definitely warm enough. I'm probably gonna have to go back inside and film out my back window. Those clouds are moving scary fast. Dang truck scared me. Sometimes if I get excited like this and I hear a simple sound, it'll make me jump a little bit. This looks like something that you'd see out in the Midwest. Can you guys even see this? I hope you can. I have it set to a wide view, super view mode. It gets a really wide view, but it gives a really huge fisheye effect, so I just switched it back to wide. Linear would probably be better, but it wouldn't catch as much as in frame. You guys probably can't hear a single word I'm saying right now. Oh, there's lightning. I saw a flash. Can you guys see back there? That was a tree blocking. I have to move my trash can again, because I don't have a tripod anymore because it's broken. Go. That's a good view. What do you call that? A good view? Okay, you guys can't see that. Now I'm just gonna stand up. You know, guys, I don't feel this comfortable standing in shorts and a t-shirt with this storm approaching in the wide open. That's getting a little too close for comfort. I want to go back into my garage. Pull the trash can back in. Just a moment. I know I'm moving around a lot, but this is scary looking. At least there's no tornadoes here. I mean, there can be, but whew, that's dark. Yeah, it's a little dark. What do you say? I'm not scared. Not at all. Alright, maybe I am again getting a little nervous because it's moving scary fast. Yeek! That is scary close. I don't like storms that look like this. I don't mind lightning, but I don't like those storm structures. It looks scary. That's a shelf cloud, I think, right there. God, it's huge. I know your view's being obscured by the garage door. That's because I'm hiding underneath the garage. So I don't want to be out here right now. All those poor hawks are trying to get in so bad. Yep. I think it's time to head in. Just a couple more seconds. Okay, it's been a couple seconds. Time to head back in. I'm gonna block the view so you guys can't see inside my house. So people don't know what my house looks like. Yes, you are seeing my hand right now. I'm going to my room. Okay. We're back inside. Woo! Oh man, look at all that dust. Whoa! Blowing hard. I can't see a dang thing. Good thing I decided to come back inside. Okay. It's windy. A little windy. Look at all that dust. The dust kind of subsides. And I'll stick my head back outside. I can see better. Not even under a storm warning. Like, this looks like it triggered a severe thunderstorm warning pretty quickly. Like, look at all that turbulence. You guys can hear this dang thing I'm saying. It's starting to rain. Oh, thank you for construction for putting all this dirt over here so you don't have ow. Get whacked with my hand and stuff. Down like nope, you can't. I can't. Well, listen to the thunder. Okay, now I can kind of see better, so I can stick my I'm getting whacked in the face by pieces of the debris, especially these little flowers. Stop blowing. Alright, this wind is getting too intense for my room. Oops, I can't see. There we go. It's a little scary. Lightning. See if we can hear the thunder. Man, I can't distinguish the difference between the thunder and the wind. There's some of the windows flexing back and forth. Oh, listen to that thunder. I can't see anything. Hang on, I got an idea. I'll go down right here. Sunglasses. Best lifesaver. Oh, there goes my screen. There we go, now I got some sunglasses on now. Perfect eye protection. Just get sunglasses on. It'll also protect my eyes from being blinded by bright lights. This is a lot stronger than April 30th now. Man, this is strong. Sunglasses on. GoPro's coming out of my hands. Oh, look at that flash. And it's really starting to rain. Doggy. Oh, missed my shot. Wee-hoo! Ooh, that's a nice sound. Oh, look at all that stuff down there. That's all rain. Yup. You guys see it? Hey, you guys can still see it. Despite my lens having water on it from the rain. I'm gonna take the daring challenge to go onto my porch. I'll be right back. Oh, there's no way to pause my video because my GoPro doesn't have a pause option. Oh man, this is strong. Oh, yep, time to close the window. Oh dear. That ain't a normal thunderstorm. That's something else. Ooh, hopefully my trees stay up though. Look at this here. Says it's 70 degrees, 72 degrees and sunny. Yeah. Does that look like sunny to you? I don't think it does. I'm gonna go out to my front porch. So I'll be right back. Oh, I can't pause the video, so I'm just gonna have to cover the lens again. Hold on.
We're just waiting for Adam to eat his sandwich. You know what this doesn't do?
It's loud. Oh God. Alright, I've moved to my front porch. I'm gonna stop talking because my doorbell's right there, so enjoy this handheld video. God dang. Oh, I love that sound. Oh my God, look at the power lines. I'm talking kind of quiet here. Look at this. It's really coming down. Nice job, Mother Nature. Thanks for giving me lightning. Oh, it's getting cold now. Oh, here she goes. Oh, dang. Holy. That is strong. Alright, I gotta go in. That is way too heavy. Oh my God.
Mom, Daddy here?
No. What are you, scared?
Yeah, we got things like
I'm gonna hog your window for a moment. Holy crap. I gotta move this pickle rick out of the way for a moment. I'm gonna open my, well, I'm gonna film from up here. Wait, brother, why'd you put this pickle rick blanket here? Now you guys got a good view. Crack the window just a touch. That is incredibly heavy rain. You guys cannot see a thing right now because it is so heavy. Whoa, whoa, right. Oh, did you hear that? That is right above us. God dang. Whoa, that was bright. You guys can't see anything right now because it's so rainy. But the storm is like right above us, so you guys can't see. I'm gonna go back outside. I know that is stupid, but hold on. I know I'm making a stupid decision, but I'm gonna go back outside.
Mom and Dad are right here. They're not going outside. Do not touch the doorknob. Do not touch the doorknob.
Oh, look at this. It is soaking. The streets are flooded. Holy cow. Oh my god. Basketball hoop down. Basketball hoop down. Basketball hoop down. We got lightning everywhere. Oh my god. This is not average. This is not an average storm. This is way too strong. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please excuse, I am really nervous right now. I'm really nervous right now. Oh my god, calm down. Calm down, GoPro guy, calm down. Keep the heart rate down. Keep the heart rate down. Holy crap. This is not average. It's constant. There is just constant thunder. And my mom's not home right now. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta go back inside. There's no way I'm staying out here. The back porch might be better. Oh my god, it's even soaking back here. Look at this. The whole porch is wet. Oh my god. The majority of the lightning is back here. This is where the storm is the strongest. This is where I'm seeing the majority of the flashes, but I'm gonna go back to my window. I'm gonna call Daddy.